your videos for 2.5, we're talking about finding the equation of a line. That is our objective, to find the equation of a line. This is what you do. You need, these are like the ingredients to a recipe. You need a point on the line. I don't know my own strength. You need the slope of the line. Once you have those two things, you plug those into point slope formula. This is it right here. It's on the top of your page, point slope form. You're going to use that every time when you find the equation of a line. So point slope formula is when you have a point and you have the slope. The point goes here, the x and the y value of that point. The slope goes here. So you're just plugging and chugging. You work it all out and you get a nice, neat y equal mx plus b form for the equation of that line. So we're going to do a couple. And it depends on what information you're given. The key words for you to know what to do when you're taking a test: find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line. You know you're going to use point slope form, this right here. So you just plug it in, plug and chug. But remember, find the equation of a line means point slope formula. You're going to use the equation of a line to get the equation of a line. Here, you need a point, remember. You need a slope, point and slope. You have them. You're given them directly, so you just plug it in. Be very careful, though. The y's go together. The x's go together. So y minus the y value of the point equal the slope times x minus the x value of the point. Get another color. I know my slope is -2. Remember, m means slope. And then we plug our point in. The x value is 3. The y value is -5. And we clean it up. That's all we do. Clean it up. Get y equals something. That's what we're going to have down here, which is slope-intercept form. Y minus a negative. And a lot of y'all need to be really careful because y'all rush through this and just don't clean it up correctly. -2x, and then -2 times -3 is a +6. So we're almost there. To get y by itself, subtract 5 from both sides. And you end up with y equal -2x plus 1. And that is your equation of the line in slope-intercept form. We call it slope-intercept. Remember, we talked about intercepts. And slope is m, right? So your slope is -2. Your intercept, if x is 0, then y would be 1. So you could graph that line, start at your intercept, which is 0, 1, and then apply your slope, which is down 2 and over 1. Remember that every whole number is over 1. Every whole number is over 1. Down 2 over 1. There's your line if we graphed it. So that's the whole picture. But let's just focus now on finding the equation of a line. To find the equation of this line, well, our two sets of information are a little bit different. Here we only have 2 points. Here in the one we just did, we had a point and we were given the slope. But I know how to find the slope because that's in 2.4. So in this one, you're going to have to find the slope. Y minus y1 over x minus x1, because you have your 2 points. So -1 minus 3 over 5 minus a -4. That would be -4 over 9. That's a kind of a long slope. Now we can plug it in. Y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1. x1. It just kind of depends on which point you want to use. I think I'm just going to use 5, -1, because they're both on the line, so it doesn't matter which one you use. The y value is -1. Slope is -4 over 9. And the x value is 5. And then clean it up. Let's go ahead and distribute that through there. So that would be a -4 over 9x. -4 times a -5 is a positive 20. 9 times 1 is 9. Subtract 1 from both sides. We have y equal -4/9 x plus 20 over 9 minus 1. And I don't have a problem with you using your calculator for this. It'd be kind of easy, actually. Or you can change 1 to 9 over 9. Remember, you have to have common denominators. Or you could use the fraction function on your calculator. Make sure you plug it in parentheses, though. 20 over 9 minus 1. So it's a decimal right now, but we need a fraction, because I don't want decimals, remember? 11 over 9. If you didn't quite catch how I did that, that's the beauty of videos. You can always back up and play it again. If you find that I made an error on the video or said something wrong, you can email me and we can talk about it. So this is the equation of this line in slope-intercept form. If I wanted to graph it, my slope is -4 over 9. My y-intercept is 0, 11 over 9. We'll talk more about that in class. So the next short video will be parallel and perpendicular lines. I break it up into 2 so it doesn't get too big.